Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Well, good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. After a very wet start to the day, we have a chance of redevelopment of storms, and some of those, if we see enough sunshine, we could see some strong severe storms late through the afternoon hours through about midnight tonight for most of the KWWL viewing area. So here is a look from the Storm Prediction Center for that level 2 risks through much of really the upper Midwest and in Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, and then a lot of Iowa as well. Again, much of the area now under that risk besides our far eastern areas. Timing of this would be roughly about 5 p.m., so later this afternoon until about midnight. Main risks, large hail, damaging wind gusts. Tornado or two can't be ruled out as well, but that chance is a little bit lower, and I think the best tornado chance will be well off to our south and to our west. So the key with this is, as I mentioned earlier, is how much sunshine, how much clearing do we see during the afternoon to our west as those storms develop and then make its way here. If we see more sunshine during the afternoon and more clearing, those storms are probably a little bit more likely to be on the stronger side. If we see more clouds and just kind of overcast skies, it'll probably be less likely. I think storms will redevelop no matter what. It's just a matter of how strong they are later into the day. So let's show you future track here. Again, a very wet morning for most of us, really all of us in eastern Iowa, and that will clear out later this afternoon. And then we'll watch kind of off to the west, a little bit west of I-35. Those storms will start to flare up, and we'll watch it approach our area. So about 6 o'clock, here's that line kind of through our northwestern areas, and even more could develop on the backside, kind of ahead of that cold front here. So here's 9. Again, heavy rain is also a possibility with this and localized ponding. I don't expect this rain to add any additional massive flood implications, but some rivers could stay a little bit higher just throughout the week and not fall as fast as previously expected. So we'll go through the evening hours here, then by midnight, most of it is clearing on our eastern edge, at least with the severe threat. And then for the day tomorrow, we'll be dry, we'll be partly cloudy through the day, and a lot less humid as our dew points are going to be dropping through the day tomorrow. For today, it'll actually be rising from the time I'm speaking through the evening hours, reaching the upper 60s and low 70s. Then for tomorrow, I think we'll start in the upper or mid to upper 60s and then drop into the low to mid 50s by Saturday evening. Sunday all day going to be absolutely spectacular, low to mid 50s. Dew points, plenty of sunshine. Monday, most of the day is nice as well, but then a rain chance arrives late Monday into the day on Tuesday. That shoots our dew points up well into the 70s, I think, and could be very uncomfortable for the start of next week after Monday. So overall tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s and low 70s. Those showers and storms, some of them again could be strong to severe. Light southwest wind after those storms move out at 5 to 10. Then during the day tomorrow, the cold front will be moving through during the day. So our northern area is a little cooler in the upper 70s and low 80s along and north of Highway 20. Low to mid 80s south of Highway 20, and that decreasing humidity throughout the day. Winds a little bit breezy out of the northwest at 10 to 15. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Sunday, again, gorgeous and cool, relatively speaking, but really can't ask for much better weather. Mid-70s for highs, mostly sunny skies, and a light northeast wind. Really going to be a 10 out of 10 day there to wrap up the month of June. Start July, again, Monday, most of the day is nice. Storm chances late into the overnight hours into Tuesday. And with that, not only do we see the humidity return, but the heat as well, or at least the warmth, so to speak, for that first 4th of July forecast, or at least kind of looking ahead. Could see a chance of storms a little bit on the muggy side as well, and really for the start of July on the warmer side with a couple of storm chances.